I wanted to show you what my hair looks like when it's formed a gel cast. And I know a lot of people don't like gel just for this very specific reason that it creates this particular cast here, but actually the process is not done yet. What you'll have to do once your hair is finished drying and the gel cast has formed is you do something that's called SOTC, which is a Scrunch Out the Crunch. So that's what we're gonna do today. For starters, I washed my hair today using the Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. I am so obsessed with this shampoo. I've used this for probably more than 8 years now. It's a staple in my beauty cabinet. And I also deep conditioned my hair utilizing the Pacifica Pineapple Hydrate Curl Nourishing Mask. This has a bit of protein in the ingredients, so I use this as my monthly protein treatment. And then once I got out of the shower, I styled my hair using the Dippity Doo Girls with Curls Light Hold Gel. And this is what you see in terms of the gel cast. So to SOTC or Scrunch Out the Crunch, essentially what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cup your hands up towards your roots, and you're just going to release the gel cast in your hair. So I'm going to do it from the side of my hair, and I'm going to use both my hands to do it. So after I scrunched out the crunch, I kind of just fluffed my hair from the roots. I flipped my head upside down, and there you have it. That is what you call scrunching out the crunch.